Hi, today I'd like to show you how to play The Old Man Down the Road by John Fogerty. I'm tuned to E, E, B, E. I'll play the first lick for you. Very straightforward. Start on 5 on the middle string, 3 on the high string, and then 5 with a bend. It's going up to 7, but you don't have to hit the actual pitch of 7 and hold it. Then back to 3, then 5, then 6 on the low string, 5, 3, open on the high, open on the low, open on the high. I like doing it here. Instead of using the open string, I use the 5th fret here because I can get some vibrato on it. The second half of the first lick is almost exactly the same. Starts on 5 in the middle, 3 on the high, then you bend twice, and once again you don't have to make it all the way up there and hold it, you just push, and then hit the 5, 3, 5 in the middle. Then you do the run down, 6, 5, 3, and then 0 on the high, 0 on the low, 0 on the high. And that's it. Okay. So once again, I'll play that one more time. Now the rest of the song is fairly straightforward, but like most things Fogerty, it's not quite as simple as it sounds. He has the knack of making things sound really simple, and there's a little more to them. Like the rhythm for the verse, I've got it spelled out with ups and downs. So what we're going to do is we'll be strumming the open strings and using our left hand to mute them a bit. You know, whenever they get a little too carried away there. The basic strum is down, down, up, down, up, down. And then it's kind of a mute, and then it's up, up. But there's a trick to that. So, that up, up isn't on the and. Here's the whole thing. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And then you stay down there, and on the 2 you wait, and you come up on the 2 and the 3. So it sounds like he's being syncopated and playing on the and, but he isn't. That could be a little tricky for some people. Does that for a total of 4 measures. Each phrase is 2 measures long. He goes to the G, same rhythm. And then he goes back to the E, and he doesn't do the up, up thing. And then he does it, the whole 2 measure E thing one more time. Now he's into the high part. And that's going to go 1, 2, and 3. And you want to stop right there because you got to go 6, 5, 3, open string, low open, which is the end of the lick from the beginning. So that's where it says high. After the 3rd time, you go up to C on the 8th fret, just the regular strum, and then D on the 10th fret, and then there's a lick. So the lick starts after the 1. And what I mean by that is the band comes back in on the E chord, and he goes. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. And that's all you need to play the song. Have a great day.